We've got nothing but sunny, bright outside.
Yeah, right now.
Right now.
You know how it works around here. Wait a minute, it'll change. And that possibility exists this afternoon. We still have a very juicy atmosphere out there. I don't know if you were outside this morning, but
it's thick.
Very Floridian. Let's check it out at noontime. Rough start to the day out there earlier this morning. Another shot actually coming in from Jennifer in Akron and on the Report It Now section of our website. And you can see what came down in Akron this morning, hailstones. And we had reports of this, actually 1-inch diameter hail from Lyndonville, Gaines, and also Medina up in Orleans County. We had a report of a house struck by lightning in the town of Middlebury over in Wyoming County, and also trees and wires down in Fillmore and Allegheny County. So a rough start to the day across portions of the region, but things definitely have settled down for us, at least temporarily. And I say temporarily because we still may be dealing with some isolated storms this afternoon. The shot off the Amherst Dent building along the 290 right now, you can see some puffy clouds kind of drifting by in the web shot there. They may develop into something more significant this afternoon, at least in spots. Probably the greatest chance of that happening is going to be down to the south of the city. You can see a little bit more clouds mixing in with the sun, at least down across Burtis Bay right now, at Chautauqua Lake. Right now, we're not seeing vertical development to these clouds, but that will probably take place at least in some spots this afternoon. A quick check of Fort Worth Doppler, and it looks primarily dry. I say primarily because just within the past couple minutes, it looks like something's trying to develop around Burlington Bay here, just to the north of Hamilton, and we'll have to watch that. That may turn into a thunderstorm as we progress through the afternoon, but otherwise right now, dry conditions across the area as we take a look at the super microcast for the afternoon hours. And it was a really rough start to the day with some of the severe weather off to the east of Buffalo and down to the south, but that again is by the boards. But you can see, at least as we work through the sweep there, that some additional showers and thunderstorms start to pop up this afternoon. Now, I'm not anticipating widespread activity, but at least some isolated storms could pop up this afternoon. There's the potential that some of these storms could become locally strong to severe during the afternoon hours. That winds down pretty quickly tonight. A pretty quiet night shaping up. The humidity drops by later tonight and getting it to tomorrow, so it's going to feel more comfy for Tuesday. Still pleasantly warm. We're starting the day with sunshine. Clouds will start to increase in the afternoon. The computer brings some rain in here already in the afternoon, but this probably will hold off at least until the evening hours, with showers and storms approaching the area toward evening. And we'll be dealing with some of that thunderstorm activity with locally heavier downpours maybe during the overnight period Tuesday night and into a portion of Wednesday. High temp forecast 85 from the Falls today. The North Towns, Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, about 85, as well as Cheektowaga, Lancaster, and Alden. 84 degrees over toward Batavia. Down to the south, some lower 80s at Wellsville, Olean, and Bradford, and also back to the west here at Randolph and Jamestown, Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, and East Aurora, low to mid 80s. Right now, 83 degrees in Buffalo already, 85 from the Falls, 79 down there at Jamestown, 81 at Bradford, and the dew point temperature still hovering close to oppressive in some spots, even here in Buffalo. Still very humid out there, at least for the afternoon. Sunset time at 8:35. Here's your forecast for the rest of this Monday afternoon. We'll be looking at mostly to partly sunny skies, a few isolated storms popping up, greater chance of them to the south of the city. Very humid, the high 82 to 86. For the overnight showers and storms, actually it's the wrong graphic there. The showers and storms will wind down early this evening, then clearing out overnight down to 55 in the valley, 65 in the city. Tomorrow mostly sunny in the morning, increasing afternoon clouds, somewhat less humid, 80 to 84 degrees. And as we look at the forecast for the rest of the period here, we're going to be looking at for Wednesday some more scattered showers and storms. Then we dry up again toward Thursday and Friday at temperatures in the middle 80s. Very summery week shaping up.
Yes, it is. It's our pattern.
We should be used to it by now.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Mike. Okay.